Hey, Gary Baker here with you from PublisherReport.com. Today's quick video, I just wanted to share with you some unique images that I found that are going to be for sale that you can buy and get full PLR rights, commercial license to use these, perhaps make a low content coloring book or an activity book with a very unique spin. So I'm going to pop on the computer real quick and show you these images and then show you a few places where I found books and coloring pages using this unique niche, and I think these images will work really well. So here we are on the computer, and as you can see, Sushi Loco Coloring Page Bundle. Sushi Loco Coloring Fun Pack. It's going to be for sale in 9 hours. This is August 19th, 2020, around 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time here in Arkansas. And you can see here 24 pages of ready-to-use images that you could easily add to a coloring or an activity book. And you can see right here when you scroll down at the bottom, you're going to see exactly what you can do with these. You can use these images for print on demand. You can publish these as your own coloring book. You could even turn these into dot to dot or trace, edit these images for almost any other idea. The only two things that you're not allowed to do is sell or give away PLR or master resale rights. That means you can't sell these images as your own, just the individual images. And you can't use the Sushi Loco name. So let's take a quick look over at Amazon for this niche, because this is a niche that I never really thought of, but I actually found some pretty decent results. So I just did a look for sushi coloring book, and it actually came back with some actual coloring books and activity books around the idea of using sushi. You can see here this book in particular has a BSR of 500,000. Of course, if you look inside this book, you can see it's pretty simple. Well, the one page that it actually shows, it's just a simple coloring book with little sushi type images. But here's the key to this book as well. It has 6 ratings. So you could easily pop in these ratings. You can see one person was disappointed because each page had the same character with just a mandala background. So you could easily improve on that. But here's one that's highly recommended. 5 stars. Great colorful book for sushi parties. Another great angle. Presenting these as coloring pages or activities for actual sushi parties. So then that led me over to Etsy, where I'd search for the same thing, sushi coloring page. And as you can see, these are being sold on Etsy. This one is 5 printable food coloring pages for $3. Of course, sushi falls inside that category as the other sushi printables that you see here, anywhere from $2 to $3. They're being sold on Etsy. So again, it's a unique niche. It goes on sale. As soon as you see this video, there'll be a link in the description. I'm going to offer a few bonus images and some other things to go along with this to make this a complete activity book. So check that out. Again, a link in the description. Check out Sushi Loco. These images, let me show them to you real quick so you know exactly what you're getting. Here's exactly what they're going to look like. The PNGs in a PNG format. There are some great examples right there you see on the screen. So again, great unique niche. Again, you saw on Etsy making coloring pages, as well as books, coloring books, low content books on Amazon. Again, link in the description. Pop over the bonus page. Check out the bonuses I'm going to add to this. And if this is something you think you can use to create a very unique book, go ahead, pick it up, and then leave me a comment to let me know what you think. And give me a thumbs up if this video was helpful. Typewriter here on the end screen. Click that typewriter. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like you see here on the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.